Perfect timing. The CN double stack with the CSX train here waiting in the wings here at Dorval at around 6:15 p.m. This is part 2 actually of a video I started with the CSX train coming into the Dorval Ramps and stopping, and part 3 will be that train leaving. This is a westbound CN double stack, as is that CSX train, which is I think 327. That'll head around the bend at the Valley Field and cross the St. Lawrence Seaway and ultimately end up at a yard on the CSX in Syracuse, New York. As to where this double stack is headed, my guess is Toronto. I'm not sure what their double stack yard is called. Maybe it's just McMillian, but I'm not sure exactly. But I do like it when all the trains seem to be coming at once. Well, that's the end of that train. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.